Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video. We've got a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. It's got a 2.5-inch lift, some 20x10 wheels with a negative 24mm offset, and some 35 by 1250 R20 all-terrain tires. Short answer, yes, it will fit. However, what you need to be aware of is there's a splash guard that goes from the front bumper to the front cross member. You can either cut it with a knife, it's a very thin piece of plastic, and or like a small reciprocating saw. You can cut it and make room for the tire and wheel, and or just remove it altogether. There's 6 push pins, I believe 6 push pins that hold it up there. I'd prefer to just remove it altogether, then you don't have to worry about it. With that being said, the rear fits just fine, the front fits great. I love a 2.5-inch lift because it does not change the ride of the Jeep that much. All of your factory geometry basically stays the same. Once you start getting to 3, 3.5, 4, 6 inches, you got to start doing a whole lot more stuff. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy some parts, go to our website. Hopefully we can sell you some. And if you're looking for a vehicle to buy like this Jeep, go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, scroll through all of the vehicles that dealers currently have for sale on their lots, and the hope is that you can call them up and buy one today. That's the hope. So, again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.